We believe that banks, community banks, and credit unions should take a very hard look at being involved in the title insurance agency business for an awful lot of reasons, but the primary reasons right now in particular are that banks are under tremendous pressure. Many of their borrowers are not able to pay on the mortgages, on their mortgage loans, which causes an increase in reserves. And those borrowers that are extremely creditworthy are actually refinancing at lower rates. In addition, their bond portfolios, which make up usually 20, 30, 40% of a bank's total assets, are repricing downward because of the Federal Reserve policy. So the bottom line for the income side of the balance sheet is that incomes are being squeezed. They're simply not getting as much income as they need. On the cost side, their costs are going up. The compliance costs are significant today. And I've been a director of a bank since 1986. I've seen compliance costs go up and up and up every single year, and right now they are really, really high. So compliance costs are up. The cost of managing the portfolio is greater simply because of the problems in the economy right now. And overall, between the loss of income on one side and the increased costs on the other, margins are being squeezed, efficiency ratios are being squeezed. So what financial institutions need to do is develop some sort of fee income. Now, they could do a lot of things for fee income. Okay, they could open up a funeral home or whatever it might be, but the logical thing is do something, be involved with something that you know the field, you feel familiar with it, you feel good about it. You can go to the regulators and say, we've got a reason for being here, it makes sense. And one of those fields, of course, is title insurance because it's related to real estate, and most banks today and all credit unions do require title insurance. It just makes sense for them to be looking to the title insurance business. From the standpoint of developing fee income, from the standpoint of being compliant with regulators, from the standpoint of being part of the real estate community, it just all makes sense. It sort of fits. And we feel the Title Alliance is a great partner. Why? For one thing, because we're extremely compliance oriented. It's a very, very big thing with us. Secondly, we've been in business since 1948 as a title agency. We've been in the business of creating, managing, and developing affiliated business agencies since 1983. We're good partners, we're reliable partners, we know what we're doing, and we think it makes a great deal of sense for banks and credit unions to give us a call and talk about how we could help them get into the title insurance agency business.